Okay, what's up everyone? Anderson here and Andy here.
Hi.
The 1A DSK is dropping very soon and we are launching 3 different versions. The RTR version, the roller version and kit version. First, we shall see the RTR version. The RTR version will come with the 2 different body shell. As you can see the inside. If you don't have tuning experience, don't worry. The RTR version is for you. And this is your ultimate ready-to-run buggy. Instant ready for the hardcore bushing or track racing. Next is our roller version. It's the exact same beast as the RTR version. Also come with the 2 different colors, the blue one and the red one. And if you already have your own motor and ESC sitting on your bench, this is the design for you. Or you can pair it with our upcoming Sensored Brushless motor and ESC for total control. Finally, the kit version. This is absolute territory for hardcore builder and pro racer. We swap the bashing tire for the track ready mini pin tires and upgrade the rear shock tower to the carbon fiber here. And listen closely, no matter which version, the roller or the RTR or the kit version, which version you start with, our upcoming pro upgrade pack and option parts will let you will turn your DSK into absolute track monster. You can swap the pivot ball suspension for C-hub, upgrade core material to pure carbon fiber, and even replace standard metal with ultra-hard titanium.
Wait, don't forget to pre-order.
Yes, one last massive announcement. The DSK pre-order is official open. The official price is dropping any second now. Fill out this pre-order form right now to have Andy here to personally lock your order. And by filling out this form earlier, you will not only secure your priority purchase access before they sell out, because you know the first batch we have limited production, but you also will get a massive bundle of exclusive gifts. The DSK official launch next week, okay? Next week. Stay tuned to our channel. You can follow us on social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And don't forget, we have Facebook community. You can get in touch with this beautiful Andy here, the community manager. Because more technique and unbox video is on your way. Are you ready? See you on the track. Keep the passion.
Keep the passion.